Hi, my name is Wada and I am starting over. I have no studio, no fancy tools, just a phone and a huge passion for stainless I can't keep quiet any longer. This is Shattered and Sacred, my cozy, witchy little corner where I share my journey as a stained glass artist. And I am starting with almost nothing. No glass grinder, no camera, and no experience. But I had to start anyway because the life I was living didn't feel like mine. So here you will find videos about the process of becoming a stainless artist from zero. If you feel like stuck or that your life is missing the magic, this is for you. Subscribe if you feel it in your chest, light a candle and stay a while. We're just getting started and I am so glad you're here.